In this video, I'll show you how to create a new organization, role, and user. I will also show you how to move one of your players into this new organization that we create. Start by going to the left and going down here to settings, then clicking organization. From here, we can create a new organization which will be tied to this account and will go underneath the parent one. So in this case, that would be your organization. So if we click here and then we press add here, and then let's call it, for example, like this, we can see that the parent organization is the one tied to this account and we've named it this. And now if we click this button here, we can see that this is now underneath your original organization. Now we want to create a role which we can set for a user that we want to create. So if we go over to here and select role and then press create here, we can actually set certain permissions for this user. So if we call this user, for example, media, and only give this user access to the media folder. Essentially, they'll be only able to upload content and delete it from there. So you can also go a bit more into detail and give permissions to individual one of these. This quite goes in depth of what you can do. So I'm just going to press OK here. And now I have this role set now. I'm now going to create a new user account which ties both the organization and role that I've just made to the account. So start by going to here, user, followed by create, and then enter in the details of the user. Make sure all fields marked with asterisks are filled. So in this case, I'm just going to do a quick example. So over here, organization. So we're just going to click here and then select the one that we just created. Okay. I'm going to type in a password and then confirm it here. Next, I'm just going to enter an email. So I already have an example here. And then finally, I'm going to select the role that we just created. So if I click here, and then I can see media one here, press OK. And then I'm just going to finally press OK here to create the account. You will now see the user account that you've just created and will be able to log into this immediately. So the final thing we're going to do is move one of our players onto the new organization so this account can essentially use it. So start by going to player, player, and then from here we can see our screen. So all we're going to do is click the button here and we're going to press more up here, change organization, and then we're just going to select that organization that we just made. So example 123, okay, okay again. Now that user account that we just created will be able to see this screen that's associated with their account.